Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is strictly just a Amazon unboxing of vacation stuff. So I ordered a bunch of things off of Amazon the week prior to us going on vacation so that everything would be delivered before we left. So right here, I end up getting some beach toys. These beach toys come with a mesh bag, and it also comes with a 26-piece set of beach toys, including the bag. So I just went ahead and put the toys in the bag. And I was like, okay, is this enough? Is it going to keep the kids occupied? So I end up also buying a set of 5 colorful mesh beach bag. It keeps the sand away. It also stores shells. So I got these in purple, yellow, blue, green, and pink. The kids can put their shells in there and they will enjoy them. So I end up also going ahead and just getting an extra beach toy set that also comes with another bag. This set comes with 19 pieces, and like I said, it also comes with a mesh bag where it's going to keep all the sand out, and you can just keep all of your beach goodies in that bag. And I also went ahead and bought a sports action camera 4K that comes with a remote, and it is waterproof. It also has a case and also some accessories to mount. So this is a kit for sure. If you see this and you actually like it, I am going to do a product review on this and compare it to an actual real GoPro, so stay tuned for that. I did go ahead and buy me a Jamaican bathing suit. That way it matches my water shoes that I have for Jamaica. And so I hope that it fits really well once I actually get it. I did order a beach cover up in black to go over top of this. I honestly preferred red, but I didn't see red at the time. I went ahead and got me a new tripod for my camera and my phone. The new tripod came with some mounts. It also came with this piece that's going to hold my phone. And like I said, it also has the little button that I can push connected to Bluetooth to my phone in order to take videos and pictures. So I also ordered the kids Uno Splash. This is just a game that they can play out on the beach. They are waterproof. It does come with a clip. So like I said, if you guys see anything in this video, I will link all of these things down in my description box down below. Go ahead and order them. So I got some beach towel clips for the chairs, as well as SD cards, and along with some memory cards. So I already have plenty. I just wanted to make sure that I actually had it. So we have some clear pouch drink holders, and then I also got the 2-pack of the bag. So I got it in pink and then got it in blue. Blue is for my son, pink is just for us to use out on the beach, and I also did get the tent. So you also got this tent. It's a pop-up tent right here. I'm not going to take it out the package, but this is what it's going to look like. Last but not least, I got these 2 bags that you can put your luggage handle in between. Closes like this. It came in a 2-pack of pink and blue. So this is just going to be a beach bag, but it has stuff in it as of right now. So thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned and make sure you subscribe for our vacation vlog.